A very good morning, students. Now children, today we are going to start the second part of the chemical reaction, that is decomposition reaction. Okay? Children, in previous video, I had explained about the combination reaction, that how the two element combines to give the single product. Now we will see that, children, the second thing, that is decomposition reaction. Children, decomposition, the word decomposition means break down, or you can say split. Means those reactions in which when a single compound breaks into two or more parts, then this reaction will be decomposition reaction. For example, children, suppose I have one chalk, a single part. So when it breaks into two parts, when it breaks into three parts, so that reaction will be known as decomposition reaction. So it defined as means the reaction in which when a single compound, when a single reactant are divided, or you can say the breakdown into two or more parts, then this reaction is known as decomposition reaction. So symbolically, you can say, suppose AB is a compound, a single compound. If it breaks and gives a two product, then this reaction will be known as decomposition reaction. Let us take an example, like when calcium carbonate, okay, after getting heat, children, this compound breaks into the calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So this reaction will be known as decomposition reaction, children. In the same way, when hydrogen peroxide exposed in the form of sunlight, children, this compound hydrogen peroxide breaks in two parts, water and oxygen. So this reaction is also a decomposition reaction. Clear, children? So over all you can say that decomposition reaction is just opposite to the combination reaction. In combination, two or more substances combine to give the single product. But while in case of decomposition reaction, single compounds break into two or more parts. Okay? Now see, children, in class 9th, I have told you that in solid state the particles are very close to each other and have high force of attraction between the particles. Okay? So in order to break this force of attraction, we need to provide some amount of heat energy. Yes or not, children? मैंने आपको बताया था कि कोई भी सब्सटेंस अगर सॉलिड में है तो उसके पास फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन खुद की होती है, वो अपने आप में कभी भी कन्वर्ट दूसरे में नहीं होता है जब तक कि हम अगर एक्सटर्नल एनर्जी न प्रोवाइड करें. सो इन द सेम वे, चिल्ड्रन, नो एनी सिंगल कंपाउंड ब्रेक्स देयर ओन सेल्फ, कभी वो खुद से नहीं होता है. नो एनी सब्सटेंस ब्रेक देयर ओन सेल्फ, चिल्ड्रन, कभी भी खुद से. No any substance, I have told you many times, no any substance breaks their itself. So in order to break this compound, children, we need to provide some amount of energy, either in the form of heat, in the form of light, or in the form of electric currents. So decomposition, when the compound breaks with the help of heat, children, so that reaction will be known as thermal decomposition reaction. When the compound breaks with the help of light, then this reaction will be known as photochemical decomposition reaction. And children, when the compounds breaks with the help of electric current, then this reaction will be known as electrolytic decomposition. Clear everyone? So please keep in your mind all the compounds which are present in the universe, they never decomposes itself. We need to provide some amount of energy, either in the form of heat, either in the form of light, or either in the form of electric current. Clear children? So when the compound breaks with the help of heat, so that decomposition is called thermal decomposition. When the compound breaks with the help of light, then this will be photochemical decomposition. And when the compound breaks with the help of electric current, so that reaction will be electrolytic decomposition reaction. Clear everyone? So now we are going to study one by one in the type of decomposition in detail. Now first children, thermal decomposition. Thermal decomposition reaction. Children, the word thermal is stand for heat energy. And decomposition, you all know it very well, means breaking of the compound. So when the compounds breaks with the help of heat, then this reaction will be known as thermal decomposition reaction. Okay? So let us do an activity to understand this concept very clearly. Okay? Now, in China dish children, in this China dish, I have taken, okay, ferrous sulfate crystal FeSO4.7H2. The name of this crystal is the ferrous sulfate heptahydrate. Ferrous sulfate heptahydrate, and the color of this crystal is green color. The common name of this compound is green electrode. Clear everyone? So ferrous sulfate heptahydrate we have taken in this China dish. Okay? Now children, starts burning, or you can start giving heat to this compound China dish which contains this crystal. जब हम हीट देंगे इस चाइना डिश को, जिसमें क्या हमारे फेरस सल्फेट हेप्टाहाइड्रेट है, जिसकी कलर क्या है ग्रीन, तो आफ्टर सम टाइम वी विल ऑब्जर्व दैट दिस क्रिस्टल्स loses their water molecules. Cell molecules will evaporate. Water molecules will evaporate children, and only ferrous sulfate will remain in this China dish. Clear everyone? In second step you can see this one is A, this one is B. Okay? In this China dish children, the remaining is FeSO4. This one is FeSO4. Okay? So now the color change from green to dirty white. Dirty white means when this crystal loses their water of crystallization, means water molecules, the color changes from green to dirty white. So it means that children, the water which are present in this crystal imparts the color of the compound. इसका मतलब यह कि जब तक इसके साथ वाटर अटैच था तब तक उसकी कलर की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक बनी थी, लेकिन जैसे ही वाटर हट गया उसकी कलर जो है खत्म हो गई और किसमें कन्वर्ट हो गया, डर्टी वाइट में. सो अगेन स्टार्ट गिविंग हिट चिल्ड्रन. डिकम्पोजिशन का रूल ही यही होता है कि जब तक कोई कंपाउंड डिकम्पोज हो रहा तब तक आप उसको डिकम्पोज करते रहिए, ब्रेक करते रहिए. सो व्हेन यू अगेन गिव हिट टू दिस China dish which contains ferrous sulfate only, again children you will say that two gases will evolve. A very pungent smell will obtain children. बहुत ही सफोकेटिंग गैस निकलेगी. Two gases will evolve from this China dish. The one gas is sulfur dioxide and second gas is sulfur dioxide. And the color, the remaining compound will be Fe2O3 ferric oxide. And now the color of this ferric oxide becomes reddish brown. Clear everyone? So now children, we have seen that in each step, each compound breaks with the help of heat. This compound also breaks with the help of heat. So those reactions in which when a single compound breaks into two or more parts, so this reaction will be known as thermal decomposition reaction. Children, the question may be asked in the examination on the basis of observation. एक क्वेश्चन इस तरीके से पूछा जा सकता है कि list any two observation when ferrous sulfate crystal are heated. When ferrous sulfate crystal are heated, list any two observation. So what will you write? The first observation is that color change from green to finally reddish brown. Clear everyone? And second observation is that there is evolution of two gases. The one is sulfur dioxide gas and second is sulfur trioxide gas. Clear everyone? So overall, we can write the reaction. So overall, children, we can write the reaction. First step, Fe4.7H2O. Heat. So this water molecules will separate out, children. 7H2O. The remaining will be FeSO4. Okay. Now, again, this compound will decompose FeSO4. Again, when it requires heat energy, it will decompose Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3. The color is green, dirty white, and finally it becomes reddish brown. This is the complete equation when ferrous sulfate crystals are heated. Clear everyone? In first step it will lose their water molecules, and in second step it will evolve two gases. The one is sulfur dioxide gas and second is sulfur trioxide gas. Let's take another example to understand this concept. Okay, children? Now see, children. In China dish, second experiment, okay? In China dish, I have taken the crystals here. Second. I have taken lead nitrate. Lead nitrate. The color of the lead nitrate is white. Okay? And in second dimension, I have taken copper nitrate, which is blue. Both are the nitrate compound. This one is lead nitrate, then this one is copper nitrate. Okay? Now start giving it, children, and observe. When we start giving heat to this channel is, after some time, we will observe that one gas will come out in the color of brown. Clear, a brownish color gas will evolve. First observation will be that a brownish color, brown fumes you can say, brown color gas will evolve, and after some time the color of this lead nitrate will change, and the last finally the unknown, you can say, जो बचा इसके अंदर होगा उसका जो कलर होगा येलो हो जाएगा. When we give heat to this lead nitrate children, which is color of white, after giving heat children, we observe that a brown fumes of gas will evolve from this china dish, and after that the compound which are present in this remain in this china dish will change into the yellow in color. And in this again children, in copper nitrate cases, when we give heat, okay, again in this case also children, a brown color fumes will evolve, brown fumes, and the compound which are remain in the china dish, it becomes black in color. Black. तो अब सबसे बड़ी चीज ये है कि दोनों में जो गैसेस के निकल ब्राउन फ्यूम्स, इसका जो कलर जो था लेड नाइट्रेट का वाइट वो येलो में कन्वर्ट हो गया, और इसका कॉपर नाइट्रेट का जो ब्लू कलर था वो ब्लैक में कन्वर्ट हो गया. तो इट मीन्स दैट देयर इज अ केमिकल रिएक्शन, इट मीन्स दैट देयर केमिकल रिएक्शन हैज टेकन प्लेस बिकॉज देयर इज अ चेंजिंग ऑफ कलर ना. सो चिल्ड्रन, नाउ सी हाउ डज इट हैपन. व्हेन लेड नाइट्रेट आर हीटेड, when the lead nitrate are heated, it evolves, this lead nitrate evolves nitrogen dioxide gas which is brown in color. In the same way, when copper nitrate are heated, it also gives nitrogen dioxide gas which is brown in color. Also gives nitrogen dioxide gas which is brown in color. In same gas will evolve in this case also, in this case also. Okay? So now, this lead nitrate will convert into the lead oxide which is yellow in color. This copper nitrate will convert into the copper oxide which is black. दोनों में से चीज होगा. Lead nitrate convert into the lead oxide, copper nitrate will convert into the copper oxide. Clear everyone? The white color of lead nitrate convert into the yellowish color, and the copper nitrate is blue, which is blue in color, convert into the black color due to the formation of copper oxide. The color of copper oxide is black in color, and the remaining gases are then oxygen gas in both the cases. This is the complete equation that when lead nitrate are heated. This is also the complete equation when copper nitrate are heated. So I hope that everything will be clear. So in next part of the video, I will tell you about the photochemical decomposition and electrolytic decomposition. क्लियर है everyone? तो ये सारी चीजें, ये चीज आपको माइंड हो जानी चाहिए कि दोनों में सब कुछ सिमिलरिटी होगी. बस ये है लेड, ये नाइट्रेट कंपाउंड लेड का है, ये नाइट्रेट कंपाउंड कॉपर का है. लेड नाइट्रेट से लेड ऑक्साइड देगा जो येलो कलर होगा, और कॉपर नाइट्रेट से वो कॉपर ऑक्साइड जो देगा वो ब्लू कलर, ब्लैक कलर में होगा. दोनों में सेम ऑब्जर्वेशन होगा. नाइट्रोजन डाइऑक्साइड विल इवॉल्व इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ब्राउनिश कलर, नाइट्रोजन गैस विल इवॉल्व इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ब्राउनिश कलर. So clear everyone? Thank you.